Working with the snipping tool in Windows is actually very easy. So there are two different ways that you guys can actually use the snipping tool. The first way is to go into your search bar on the bottom left hand side right here, and then type in snipping tool. And once you guys type that, you can hit enter, and it will open up the snipping tool program. And to actually snip, all you guys need to do is click the new right there. And it will prompt you with a area to select to actually snip or take a screenshot of. So I'm just gonna screenshot my desktop right here, and bam, as you guys can see, a piece of my desktop has been screenshotted. So to copy this, you guys can hit Control C and then Control V to paste it, or you guys can actually go to File and then Save As to save it onto your desktop. Another cool thing of the snipping tool is actually you can actually write on the actual screenshot itself, so I can be like hello, or point to something if I want to do it like that. But then there's also a second way to actually do this. And the easier way is actually to hit your Windows Shift and then S key on your keyboard all at once, and it will prompt you with another pop-up to actually select an area to screenshot. Let's say I screenshot the same area right here, and then I can actually open it up on the right hand side as it pops up. If it's not there, it's going to be on your desktop notifications right here on the bottom right. And then you guys can do the exact same thing. You can actually hit the little save as right here to save the image. You can also copy it and then paste it in any sort of like Google Doc, Discord, etc. And you guys can write on this also. And bam. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice, pretty neat, pretty easy to use. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.